This video covers 2.4, evaluating formulas and solving formulas for a variable. Practice problems. Number 1, evaluate the expression 2L plus 2W for L equals 7 and W equals 5. Evaluate means to take the values of the variable or for the variable, L equals 7, and substitute it in where you see that variable. We say plug in. So if that says 2L, we're going to take 2 times whatever L is, and we're going to plug in L equal to 7. Evaluate W when W equals 5. We're going to plug in or substitute 5 in for W. 2 times 5. Now that expression comes out to 2 times 7 is 14, and 2 times 5 is 10, which means the value of the expression when L equals 7 and W equals 5 is 24. Practice 2 says to round 5,873 10,000ths to hundredths place. We like to say 0.5873. When rounding, we point to the position that it says to round to, the hundredths. The first digit is the tenths, and the next digit after that is the hundredths. So we point to that and highlight the 8. We look to the other side of that number to determine if 0.5873 is going to be closer to 0.59 or 0.58. And because the 7 to the right is bigger than 5, that means that this number is closer to 0.59 than 0.58. So if the number to the right is 5 or bigger, we round up. If the number is 4 or smaller, we round it down. In this case, we say that 0.5873 is closer to 0.59 than it is to 0.58. This concludes the video on 2.4 evaluating formulas and solving formulas for a variable practice problems.